first time sharing my story, so please be patient. Okay. I've been in and out of psychiatrists and counselors' offices since the age of 13. Doctors were always really quick to label me this or that disorder, all agreeing with consensus that, among other things, I was clearly very depressed. This became really clear to everyone concerned after numerous suicide attempts. One sudden day, I reached out to Hope's 24-hour crisis line in a moment of mental and emotional exhaustion and crisis. The truth is, I was just really confused, and I was really lost, alone, and really incredibly sad. And I really just wanted the suffering to end, and I just didn't really know how. And for the first time in my life, as I spoke to a trained counselor at Hope, I was really ready to do whatever it took to do something about it. I did eventually leave him at 25 years old, long after the one time life-changing incident. The guilt, the confusion, the shame that erupted inside of me that had been waiting to be dealt with all this time were very, very tactfully and calmly acknowledged by my counselor. I can't really go back to the way it was because I'm not the same person I was then, and I know this now. It's up to me how my life turns out, and I know that it won't all be peachy or clear-cut all the time, and certain scars may never leave me because of how deep-rooted they were, and that's okay, because with all of the work I'm putting in, they are nothing more than just distant, faded memories. I also know now that extreme suffering and extreme joy is part of life, and that balance of the two is the most attainable and sustainable way that I'm going to achieve peace, by embracing that yin and yang. This is simply how I have learned to cope and to see my experiences, good, bad, very, very ugly. I'm very, very relieved to tell you I'm finally excited